Igirini ria kunyihanyihia mahuthiro na makiria kuriha micara ya aruti wira, kaunti ya Meru nieraniire kurugamia aruti wira 30 ukirikana gicunji kinene kia aruti wira ya makoretwo makiamukira micara matarutiire wira.
That the county has over 1,030 casual employees. Some of those employees are on expired contracts. Some of the casual employees are not on county payroll. We don't know they are paid. Others are receiving illegal payments. Other casual employees do not report for work. Yet they draw salaries from the county government.
Kuringana na Ngavana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi, kandarathi cia aruti wira othe igatirwo muthini wa mweri uyu na kumanagia na hau maandikwo keri ukirumirwo mitaratara iri ifatie.
We have decided that all casual employees will be paid up their salaries and allowances even up to and including that the 1st of January 2018. So we are going to pay all the casual employees, whether legal or illegal, up to that the 1st January 2018. And thereafter, the salaries of all casual employees will be stopped and their services will be terminated. So there will be no casual employees from 1st of February 2018.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ikoretwo ikihuthira mirioni ikumi na ithano o mweri kuriha micara ya aruti wira, undu uria riu Ngavana Kiraitu augite ni hathara kuri kaunti gukiringithanio na kigina kiria kaunti no yamukiraga kumana na igoti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.